How you doing, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We got a toilet here in a mall that is, you flush it, it backs up. The plumber was here and snaked it out. He said everything was clear there. So I'm gonna pull the toilet off the floor and snake the line and see what we come up with. All right, so here we go. So as you can see, it is holding water. So we're going to snake it out and see how far the blockage is. Water doesn't seem to be getting any higher, so we're just going to snake it out. you can hear that. That's the water draining. So, no more water in the pipe. So we're going to pull it back and see if we see anything. So a little bit of remnants of hair and maybe floss. Not really sure where the floss would have came from. Maybe somebody at lunchtime after they eat flushed it down the toilet. But other than that, it seems like we're good to go. I'm going to put the toilet back on and we'll give her a flush. Yeah.
Okay. How was it? Is it full?
It was up. It wasn't full, but I snaked it, cleared it probably 15 feet or so. Everything's good now. You can hear it flush. Everything went.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put the toilet back. And
Okay. Yeah.
I think he was right there, where it was. I think he was right.
Fine.
Down that hallway. Because if you look, I thought this place was a lot wider than what it is. And this is all like below here.
You know where the perfume is?
Yeah.
That's there.
Straight
But you're further out than the back part.
Oh yeah.
The back part here was the massage, the therapy thing.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Ooh, everything was backed up, man.
Oh really? Eh?
Yeah, and then we snaked it from there, and I got it there.
Okay.
But no, you guys were here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So everything seems to be good. So I'm just gonna put everything back together, and we'll see what would come.
Okay. Yeah, this thing, like I said Friday, right up to the top.
Really?
It was clear water, Nick. Right up to the top it came.
Here.
Yeah. Over there, no. Cavallino, no. You want a new gasket?
You got a new one?
What do you think?
I don't think we need it.
You're a plumbing company here, buddy.
I don't think we need it,
Huh?
honestly.
You okay?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, the guy downstairs was a wild, eh?
Oh.
Oh, you gotta do this. I think we should get one of these. He doesn't need this one. We can take this one.
Yeah, and the cable.
I think he, yeah, everything. Yeah.
Might as well, yeah.
Carmelo won't like it, but
Ah, fuck. I could buy a new one. Better one.
It's all working here, right?
yeah, that's it. I know.
I don't see anything.
I have to know.
So I'm surprised I didn't pull out any tampons. Normally we do in situations like this.
I was just
yeah.
getting there right now with
Yeah.
that.
I figured as much. But I did pull it, like, if you look on the head of the cable,
Yeah, I know.
a little bit of hair,
Yeah.
but.
You think we should put a thing in more water or no?
On this side?
No, in the tank.
Everything's just scared.
Huh?
Just hanging up.
See here. Was this yours?
Yep.
Huh?
Yep.
What the hell is this?
It's a GoPro. I'm
Oh,
videoing right now.
oh shit, oh Jesus, sorry. What the hell? That looks pretty neat. I don't know. Well, it is a GoPro. What do you do with that?
Put on YouTube.
Get out.
Yeah.
Oh shit. It's pretty good. is you change that fluid master bullshit.
Right to the top.
How you guys think? Look good? Look good to you?
Doesn't, I guess it's okay, eh? It's not feeling quick. Yes, huh?
I have a feeling
A lot of, yeah,
to shut this up.
just, yeah. Well, I like your flashlight. That's pretty good. So when,
They haven't got the same tools as you.
This line
yeah,
here, this line here,
yeah,
is behind his washroom,
yeah.
not to that stack.
Oh, sorry.
No, no worries.
It comes across, like,
No. Right where he bit the room open, his washroom's right there.
yeah,
This line here goes to that.
yeah, over here.
Doesn't go to that 4-inch where we are.
You think you should change the ball cock? No, what I'm saying. I hope they don't come quick, because then, it's not good for another flush, that's all. Right? Yeah. Okay, I guess it's all right.
You good?
Yeah. What? What? I should leave it on there, no? Come back after we're done? I think it goes down there, don't it? Huh?
I don't think it's coming to where we are.
Better safe than sorry, leave it on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think they
You
got
wanna go
another
down?
washroom.
On
Yeah,
the
I
flush?
don't think it's all the way,
Oh, hey.
well, while we're working on that, they shouldn't be working. Well,
We need to sink.
yeah, but this is also slated too.
Yeah, that's okay. It's okay, go on here. I'm gonna pull it up and go. I'll wait for your arrival there, your departure there. That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
Well, what the hell is that? This is some kind of... So when do you, what's your thing on YouTube?
Jay, that drain guy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
J-A-Y. That
G-A-Y.
J, yeah. That
That.
drain guy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay. All these videos. I just started a couple weeks ago.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, these guys?
No, they.
No, I saw you here before. We did the...
No, I just started doing on YouTube.
Yeah,
a
YouTube,
couple
yeah.
weeks. But
That's right.
they. When I'm doing work for them, I don't show the van or anything like that. I think there is one of my first videos that showed the van, but other than that, it's keep it out of their eyes,
No,
right?
yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I'm actually gonna get some magnets made up for my wife's Jeep, and with my YouTube and everything, and that way it self-promotes the side job they do as well, right?
Yeah. Yeah, well, Friday he goes, oh, what do you gotta do? I go, no, I gotta get material, shit. So we
Yeah,
told
downstairs.
the office, told the office. And, told the office to tell these two, because the other one, Carolino used to do the luggage and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, they're not there no more?
No,
Oh, okay.
and they took over.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
There you go.
Hey, good for that.
Yeah, for sure.
And good for
Well, yeah,
you.
because we used to, a whole bunch of these used to back up, right? Is that where it goes? It all goes to that main stack there?
Not really.
So we're good?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. I just went to the washroom and we're good. Thanks a lot, bud. Okay, so we know the drain's good. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks a lot.